Guys, we have Repo encourages finance firms to offer crypto trading. So live on CoinMarketCap's blog, article by Will Jacobson doing a review on CoinMarketCap's blog Alexandria. So guys, stick to the end so you get the full concept of this update. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you buy keys. Table of contents we'll be looking at in the crosshairs. So international payments from Repo, international payments firm Repo has announced a product designed to give financial institutions an easy way to offer cryptocurrency trading to customers. So Repo Liquidity Hub is a turnkey backend solution that will provide enterprise clients a groundbreaking new way for enterprises to easily and efficiently source digital assets from the broader crypto market. So Repo said in November 10 on the ApolloX post. So this means that using smart order routing to give clients access to a network of market makers, exchanges, and over-the-counter OTC trading desks that can provide digital assets at the best possible prices, the firm said. So the technology is an offshoot of its two-year-old on-demand liquidity product that lets financial institutions bypass the long and expensive legacy system of making cross-border payments by buying, transferring, and immediately selling their XRP cryptocurrency. So Ripple Liquidity Hub will be available in 2022, according to RippleNet General Manager Aisha Bele. He said, "It makes perfect sense that as they prepare for a crypto-first world, our customers would want to access to the same trusted one-stop shop by buying, selling, and holding crypto assets that has powered our own extensive work with financial institutions." While it's a cross-border payment network, RippleNet uses the XRP cryptocurrency so closely associated with the fintech firm that the token is often called Ripple. This service will not be limited to one token. So according to XRP, Ripple Liquidity Hub will support Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, and Bitcoin Cash, with more digital assets added in the future. So you guys also have a CoinMarketCap podcast available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and more. So you want to check it out. I'll be leaving a link in the description box. You can get direct access to it here. Says here, Ripple is currently battling the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission (SEC), which has sued the company and two of its top executives for $1.3 billion over what the agency says were illegal sales of an unregistered security (XRP) over the course of a decade. So, if it goes to court, Ripple will be the first company in the crypto space to fight the SEC over the agency's belief that virtually every cryptocurrency should be classified as a security. So a number of ICO issuers have made multi-million dollar settlements with the SEC and a few, most notably messaging service Telegram, for its Storm blockchain, imploded when trying to fight back. So the SEC recently won the backing of the U.S. Treasury Department and other agencies over its claim to have wide authority to regulate stablecoins. So guys, I think this is a sensitive issue between the SEC and the crypto space. So you want to let us know what you feel. You want to send drop your message or what you feel XRP should do in this case scenario. If you feel they should opt in for a settlement as with most companies have done, or you feel they should go to court and settle this out once and for all. Hey guys, thanks for watching the Keys. We'll be offering our airdrop or giveaway for our first 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers. So you want to be part of that. You want to click on the subscribe button, and when it's time, we'll be asking all our subscribers to drop their drop their address wallet, their crypto address wallet, which we'll be using in giving out in sending out a little bit of appreciation for being part of the family. So one love guys, buy keys, stay safe